Welcome back. This is part 2 of our scratch foam board project. Now we've already printed our lizard, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take our foam board plate and we're going to add chalk pastel onto the plate, covering that ink so that we've then got two projects out of one piece. Now what we'd already done, as you saw in the first demonstration, we'd used the foam board and we'd done this print here. Now what we need to do next is we've got our foam board, we can put that to the side, and we've got a piece of red construction paper. Now what we want to do is give it that jagged looking edge. So how we do that is we put our hand flat on the paper near the edge, and we use our other hand, we kind of pinch and pull, and we do it very, very carefully. We don't just do a great big rip because it will probably go across it like that. But we just pull it, and it just takes that manufactured look off of it, that straight edge, and gives it more of that organic feel, because at the end of the day you're actually using organic shapes and texture, visual texture, and this just actually enhances it a little bit more. So there, I've torn my edges. My board is going to be placed on top. Now using chalk pastels, choose a palette of colours that you'd like. I'll just set that to the side so that my red doesn't. And then you're going to take it section by section. So as I do it, I'm going very lightly on it, not pushing hard, because I don't want to fill in the lines. If you can see there, the lines that I'd pushed into the printmaking are still showing through, and very carefully I'm just going to blend with my finger. So try and use nice bright vivid colours, avoid black, because black just muddies up the colours completely. And highlight where you need to. Okay. Until you finish, until you fill in your whole foam board with pastels. And see, I'm just going to continue here, fill in my guy there. Going to go with nice lighter colours compared to the initial one that I did. Making green as well. So the more textural design and visual textures that you've put onto your Chameleon, the better looking your design is going to be when you do this project. Okay. And then I've got his tree stump, and I'm going to go with a rusty colour for his tree stump rather than a dark brown. I don't want to go with the very dark colours. Add in some more green at the top for those lovely leaves. And then just very lightly just do a light blend. Okay, and remember, you can actually go over some of the colours just to pull it out a little bit more. And there you go, boys and girls. Once you've got that done, you're going to glue it onto there, and then when you've got that glued on, you're then going to glue it onto there, and there you will have two pieces of artwork done with the scratch foam board. Now, boys and girls, it's your turn. Let's go and make some art.